Uh, Today I'm gonna put a short video on how I designed my hail protection for my truck. I did it 2015. At that time, I have it in one big piece. Now I separated. Last year I separated into two smaller pieces. One for the front hood and the other one for the top cabin. The material I use is this same, this material, sleeping mat, and I have hook, hole, pre-installed here and here. This is cloth fabric, so it won't scratch the paint. So just open it up. Previously I used tape to tape them together, but then the tape become loose after like one season or two seasons. So now I use rope and through hole over them. So for looping, rope and elastic hook. So this is one piece, and that one is another piece. This extra one here is for the sides. So when it's have the elastic rope, I will just slide it underneath them. Also,